Hey, what's up guys, ProCoderGaming here, where today I will be unboxing another product from Apple. So it has been 3 years since the last time I unboxed an Apple product. The last video was me unboxing the iPad Pro 2nd generation. So today, I'll be unboxing, promo please, device specifications. So, this Macbook Pro has a 16-inch display, a 12-core CPU, an 18-core GPU, 18GB of RAM, and 512GB of SSD storage. I also got the space black color of the MacBook Pro, as you can see on the cover. So the price of this MacBook Pro is, well, it is $2,499, which is pretty expensive. I mean, what did you expect? It is an Apple product after all. So, let's get into the unboxing, shall we? What a satisfying unboxing experience so far. Alright. Oh. Here we go. It's the MacBook in all its glory. But we'll save this for last. So, let's look at the other things that are in this box first. So, here's the packet where the Apple stickers are in. So let's take out the Apple stickers. Here we go. They're actually black instead of white. So that's pretty cool. So this is a manual on how to operate it. And there's further instructions right here. So yeah, that's it from here. That's all that's in here. So here's the 140 watt USB-C power adapter. So what you can tell it's a USB-C is we first need to unwrap this. So USB-C is right here. I don't get why the camera is not focusing, but you can slightly see it right there. It's USB-C. So let's put this aside. So now we have the USB-C charging cable. There's one side USB-C, and this is a Thunderbolt 4 port. So let's unpackage this, unwrap this. It's a nice black cable right here. I really like that. It matches the color of the MacBook. So now, onto the main course. The MacBook itself. So let's put everything else aside for clear view. Here it is. So let's unwrap this. I can already see that their MacBook Pro is already printed on the device itself. You can clearly see it. There's a light issue. Okay. Here it is, the MacBook Pro itself. So as you can see, there is a Thunderbolt 4 cable right here with two ports, USB-C ports right here, And also, yeah, there's a headphone jack right here. So, on the other side, there's an SDXC card slot, and there's another USB-C cable, USB-C port right here, and there's actually an HDMI cable, HDMI port right here. It's pretty nice. So you can connect it to an external monitor for a bigger screen. So, time to open the laptop. In 3, 2, 1. So, as you open it, it automatically turns on. I like that feature a lot. So, here's the intro screen right here. And also, I forgot to mention, this display refresh rate is 120 Hz. So this is a pretty smooth experience. I really like it. So let's continue. Let's proceed. So, alright. English, Espanol, and there are other versions of English, and so on. So let's proceed with English. Select your country or region. Alright, continue. Accessibility, vision, voiceover. Alright, zoom. I will turn on. Now, I want to have the most features on here. Cover, text. Speak selection. So I believe I can access these in settings later. Pointer size. I'm going to go with this size. This size is nice. Okay. So standard, reduced transparency. I'm going to go with the standard. So continue. Increase contrast. I'll go with standard as well. Appearance, I'll go with auto. Reduce motion, I'm still going to go with standard. Let's review this. And then reduce motion. Yeah, it's just going to like teleport. So I'm going to go with the standard one. So accessibility, let's go over motor, accessibility keyboard. Okay, if that's on, then this keyboard will pop up right here. So I'm going to turn that off. So I guess I don't need it. So hearing, turn on, closed captions, subtitles will look like this. Alright, I'm not going to turn that on. Flash for alerts. Test screen flash. The entire screen is going to flash. So I'm not going to enable that. So cognitive. We already went through the appearance. So let's continue. Speak selection. We already went through these. Typing feedback. So your Mac will speak characters, words, or selection changes as you type. So I'm going to disable that. Keep that disabled. Overall text. Alright, you know what? Now I changed my mind. I'll disable this. So now we went through all these, so let's continue. Select the Wi-Fi network, so there are Wi-Fi options right here. So I'm going to go with this. Alright, so data and privacy now. So let's continue. Migration Assistant. How do you want to transfer your information? Yeah. Choose from Windows PC or from Mac, Time Machine Backup, or Startup Disk. So I'm not going to do this right now, so I'm going to start off with a new Mac. So I'm going to now type in my Apple ID information. We are finally in Mac OS. Welcome. The screen, very smooth, so 120 Hz. And this base black color looks sounds really nice on this device, and I really like it. So let's do a full keyboard feel and sound test. So the keyboard sounds really nice and it feels really nice. And also, here's the lock screen. The wallpaper's anime and I really like that. So that concludes today's unboxing video. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and goodbye.